Here are some more air conditioners. It's running. It's a really noisy one actually. And here is a York that's just like that one over there. This one isn't really that noisy, but it's sort of noisy. I think it's probably, I'm guessing it's a straight flow unit. I don't know what this thing is, but it's like something, transformer or something. Here's a Carrier Infinity Series heat pump, but I've never seen a Carrier Infinity Series with this kind of logo. Pretty sure this is a heat pump. Here's a huge one. It's a really quiet one. And I think when I was walking here, I think that Rheem just turned on. That's actually what most of the noise is coming from. Hope you enjoyed the video.